In our recent webinar, we asked a deceptively simple question: should your organization build, buy, or wait on AI? But that question, while practical, is not neutral. Because the answer depends on where you are in the world, not just your budget or your sector, but your geography. We are not entering a single AI future. We are entering a fragmented AI landscape, where different regions are not just adopting AI at different speeds, but in fundamentally different ways. Globally, adoption is accelerating. Roughly 1 in 6 people now uses AI tools. But beneath that headline lies a deeper truth. AI is not diffusing evenly. It is concentrating power. In the United States, the dominant instinct is clear: build. This is the epicenter of AI infrastructure: data centers, chips, models, and capital. Hyperscalers are spending tens of billions on compute alone, with massive clustering of AI infrastructure across key regions. The philosophy here is not cautious adoption. It is platform dominance. Build the models, own the infrastructure, control the ecosystem. For organizations operating in this environment, the strategic question is not whether to build, but how much control they want over their stack. Across China and parts of Asia Pacific, the approach shifts. Deploy first. Optimize later. Adoption rates are significantly higher in several Asian economies, with some countries reporting over 80% perceived usefulness of AI. But the more interesting dynamic is not just adoption, it's efficiency. Chinese AI ecosystems are increasingly focused on doing more with less: leaner models, faster iteration, lower cost structures. At the same time, APAC firms are often investing more aggressively in implementation, with a higher proportion committing substantial budgets to AI programs. This creates a different strategic logic: not build from scratch, but adapt, deploy, and scale quickly. Europe presents a more complex case. It is often described as behind, but that's an oversimplification. Europe is not absent from AI. It is structurally different. Only a relatively small share of businesses have fully adopted AI, and progress varies widely between countries. But Europe's strength lies elsewhere: in enabling infrastructure, enterprise software, industrial systems, and regulatory frameworks. The European approach is not speed, it is control and coherence. Regulation is not a barrier, it is a design choice. So for organizations here, the decision is rarely build everything. Instead, it becomes, how do we integrate AI responsibly into existing systems? Then there is a fourth model emerging: the infrastructure leapfrog. In the Middle East, particularly in countries like Saudi Arabia and the UAE, AI is being approached as a national transformation project. Billions are being invested into data centers, energy capacity, and strategic partnerships. Why? Because AI is not just a tool here. It is a pathway to post-oil economies. The strategy is neither purely build nor buy. It is positioning, creating the physical backbone of AI so that global systems flow through the region. What we are witnessing is no longer a simple adoption gap. It is an intensity gap. High-income economies are adopting AI nearly twice as fast as others, widening the divide. And this matters, because AI is not like previous technologies. It compounds. The organizations and regions that integrate it deeply accelerate faster. Now we return to the original question, but we ask it differently. Not, should you build, buy, or wait? But, Which global strategy are you operating within? If you are in a US-like environment, building gives leverage. In Asia-Pacific, speed of deployment wins. In Europe, integration and compliance define success. In emerging hubs, infrastructure and positioning matter most. And wait, that is no longer a neutral option. Because while you wait, someone else is compounding. AI is not just a technology decision, it is an architectural decision. About systems, about control, about where value accumulates, and increasingly, it is a geographical decision. So the real question is not whether to build, buy, or wait. It is, where do you stand in the emerging map of intelligence?